Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check DAPA website. So first of all, I'm going in a website, then just copy URL, then go on Google, then type DAPA checker. DA means domain authority, PA means page authority. Just click on first one. You can choose any website. Here are the lots of free website available. Just enter your domain address, then wait few seconds because I need to verify I'm not a robot. Okay, I click on bicycle, then verify. Okay, it's already done. Then click on check. Oh, this website domain authority 11, page authority 36, and total backlinks 8k, and quality backlink 107. Then website is R6R 364. Oh my god. One day later this website going to 7 years. So congratulations these website owners. Then I'm going on second website, then just copy this URL, again go on here, then just paste this new URL. Then I'm not a robot, just okay. This website authority domain authority 12 and page authority 41, total backlink 19,000, then quality backlink 153, then age 4 years 151 day. Okay, this is good. So this is a method you can know a website DAPA means domain authority and page authority. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.